Hello, little artist. Welcome back to my channel, Color Book. Are you ready for another fun drawing adventure? Today, we are going to draw a beautiful and cozy house. So, let's begin. I will draw two slanted lines to make the roof of house. Then, draw a straight line at top. Add another slanted line to complete the roof shape. Next, I will draw a straight line down from one corner to the other. Now let's make our house look extra special by adding cute roof tiles all over the roof. These little details make our house look warm and charming. After that, I will draw a round attic window. It's time to build the main structure of our dream house. Draw three straight lines one by one. Connect them neatly to complete the shape of our house. Draw a beautiful front door using a ruler. I will draw a soft curved top to the door. Draw a tiny handle and lock so our house is ready to welcome its guest. Now let's draw lovely windows. First, I will make the window frames. Draw the glass. Draw a chimney on the roof. Now give a nice outline to make it look super attractive. It's time for the most exciting part, coloring time. I will color the main walls of house with light pink color. Brown color. Then decorate the door with yellow, grey stripes. Color brown. The roof tiles and chimney will shine in a bright orange color. The triangle part of house will be pink. The round attic window will be sky blue. Color the window glass with sky blue too. inside part of the window with pink. The window frames with brown color. Look at that, our colorful, beautiful and happy little house is ready. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep showing your love and support, and I will keep bringing more fun and easy drawing videos for all of you. Bye bye.